Sama desktele.
Oh, desktele.
Desktele. Deri on the call here.
Ring until September 11, right? National Guard ki function shot. Ani until uti taka tuduyo tanda. Ani parking wang pura pura siya. Until bigi side la raso, right?
Side la nanga side la park chin de.
Parking siya.
And then we walked all the way over here.
Yeah.
I know, it's much.
Hadi na ngadu nanglo Wamun Air National Guard dele re nangla. Le namdu da helicopter da thamata do le khalas da do. During September 11 ki the showroom is the memorial showroom is. The mangi trucks. Flying ambulance. You're Wayne. Nice. The ambulance helicopter. I'm just also the fire truck. Air Force is fire truck, but then fire truck and law is to go shoot.
Right there, you're good. Look here, kids.
Do you need to shoot that? Do you need to shoot then? The best fire truck law is.
Let's move on.
Wow.
Where's the end of the line?
Oh, the thing list. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, the Harina. F-35 you know?
35, yeah.
It's a good shoe though. Xe nó bao nhiêu mình được để thôi các bạn. Xe đám này cùi rồi. Green Mountain Boys.
Yeah, take it easy. Nice to meet you. Hey, what's up, guys?
Đây là cái drone cái style này.
Yeah.
Cái cái là vinh sĩ đó.
I gotta go on my shift.
Yeah, hali 이거 넣었어. hali 이거 사이즈 총 왔어.
So we have a couple that only do medical missions. We have a couple that do some other missions, like can help in disaster relief and some other those type of deals. Command and control. Police departments. This aircraft is actually made by Airbus, which is a European company. The Army, it's basically an EC-145 that the Army paints green to do permissive environment missions. So the Black Hawk is on the other side. That's the one that we take to war. This one we can fly all over Europe, the US, Africa, but we can't take it to
남도 총하다. Black Hawk 비슷한 게 남도 있어. 헬리콥터. When the Black Hawk.
All these aircraft are pretty new. They're new to the Army in general. I think they started around 2007, 2008. They were adopted by the Army for certain missions. I think we got ours in about 2010, something like that.
Oh, I see the Black Hawk. Black Hawk 빠져 들어.
Yeah, this is the one.
Hold up. The ambulance is the running education. The run car chạy đi mọi người sẽ sợ. Push it, I know. This side truck is. The number I'm okay.
Absolutely.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Hey, grab this side. Come on. No, here. No.
또 처음 보셔요.
Yes, it is. is our sweeper. So when we go plow the taxiways and the runways, we leave a little bit on the surface.
So your favorite? You like
I'm right behind you.
이 난가방 왔어요 이제. 하나, the truck. भी दिरे Wellington International Airport, American Airlines under पे दा. ये airport है. Oh, the bulldozer ये चुम्बी. Bulldozer, snowplower. Oh, then I'm just going to. There was a private airlines.
Can we go in there, please?
I think we can go inside, yeah. Oh, no, the. Ah. United States of America. This shot. It's not what they are.
So the center MFD runs the weather radar,
I'm going to
the terrain, gives you your flight path and whatnot, and then we've got the DHSIs for the other two.
Ours are the old mechanical ones.
Airplane didn't.
The luxury.
Mama,
Yeah, doesn't.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Eating is something to this. Me this there do the.
Miss doing that.
Who's driving today?
Oh, let's see, this is table.
Ah, the
Yes.
small plane.
We're playing
No, no,
cards.
don't touch.
Near Germany.
Mission boy, I'm not going to look
Oh, how is it?
Beautiful. Wait.
You wanna go on this? The luxury is that.
Hey, I didn't know you were the other part of this. She said that. She's like, did you tell him? Like, yeah, you know, I hope she gets such a she's always.
The scooter.
I tell her everything. Oh, yeah.
아, 너무 하나 더 주셔서.
Sure. Yeah. Keep the eyes away from it.
오, 내가 쫙 두고 싶다.
Whenever he said that, trying to get me up to my lot, I thought I was doing pretty good making things look.
Over there to look for the mine, so nobody gets blown up.
난 담배.
Hope not.
This is like mine chocolate pasta. Ah. So how's air show?
Good. It's super.
Lisa, how do you like the air show?
Why do you want to link up?
What?
Air show 어떠셨어? Good. 엄청 좋다. 남부 담당하다. 다른 차서다 노르게다. 저는 이 엔트런스다. 이 객지도 인도네시아 롬프게 객지 보스. Okay. Hello, good night.